Hi everyone, welcome back to TechStack Learning Channel. Today we will be diving into the world of comparative prompting. Okay, so the previous sessions I have covered almost around 7-8 prompting techniques. So if you haven't watched those sessions, please go ahead and watch. And if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. If you have any specific topic which you want me to cover, please go ahead and put it in the comment box. So let's get started, right? So before we dive into the actual prompting examples, so what is comparative prompting, right? A powerful way to explore the concepts by comparing and contrasting them, right? So basically comparative prompts, right, which will help us to break down the complex topics and also identify key differences or uncover some unique insights on those topics, right? So whether it could be a technology or whether it could be an education or business or even personal development, right? This method basically enables you to make informed decisions and also make you more into a deeper understanding. Okay, so I have around like 10 to 12 unique examples across diverse domains, from comparing Python JS or in web development to analyze the benefit of strength training, or like anything, any other topics, right? So let's see how this can enhance our ability to analyze and evaluate the this particular comparative prompting. Okay, so here in this we will try to provide two or more inputs to compare, contrast and evaluate the differences and the similarities. Okay, let's take an example of the general knowledge itself. Okay, so I have some prompts ready with me. Okay, I'm just going to copy that and put it here. So compare the benefits of renewable energy, that is solar, wind, versus non-renewable energy, coal or oil, right? So here we are trying to ask the comparison. You can see it's giving the comparison with the proper format and the format bullets, etc., which highlights the environmental and economic differences between the energy sources. Okay, so next I will try to get you some okay, it also gives you, see, it has given you in the table format and also a conclusion on what is the differences or the comparison, right? Next, I'll try to put something around the technology side. Okay, so compare Python and JavaScript for web development. So here basically just a second. uh, Let me reload this. Okay, so compare Python and JavaScript for web development. So here what happens is it discusses the differences of like what is the ease of use, the libraries, the performance or web applications. See, it has given the language purpose, it has given the libraries, it has given the performance, it has given the learning curve, versatility. It's like overall whatever the technology is, right? It has given the comparison throughout those each topic. Okay, so next let's see something around the education itself. Okay, so what I'll ask is compare the benefits of online learning versus traditional classroom learning, right? So see, it has given you the different comparison like flexibility, what is flexible enough, is it online or the classroom, accessibility, then cost, social interactions, customization and learning pace, right? Technology integration. It is going to give the detail. If you want to summarize in certain words, you can put an instructions or the rules, right? What it has to do. Now it is giving a lot of information for you, but you can control that with that other types of prompting along with it, right? That you can do it. Next, I can talk about something around history. right? So compare the political system of ancient Greece and the Rome, right? So this focuses on the democracies versus the republic governance models, right? So you can say it has given you those details. Okay, so this is another domain where we can compare and understand more knowledge or deepen our knowledge on certain domains. Okay, so this is about the history comparison. Now let me say compare science side. I'll just put, okay, here I don't want the very detailed explanation, so what I'll do here is I'll combine this with another type of prompt like instructing. Okay, compare plant and animal cells in structure and function. Provide comparison in just 100 words. Okay, so plant and animal cells, so it's going to give you the comparison within very short and neat format. Okay, this is how you combine the different types of prompt together. Okay, so next one I can say about the business, like uh, compare a sole proprietorship to a corporation. So here I haven't controlled the output limit or output format. So it has given its own way of detailing it out with all the aspects of it. Okay. Uh, then let me talk about or ask any comparison around the health and benefit fitness. Okay. So compare the benefits of strength training and the cardio workout. So it will detail out a lot of stuff: primary focus, health benefits, weight management, mental health, suitability, conclusions. Is the overall. It is actually summarizing things as well, right? So last one we can talk about some entertainment, like contrast the storytelling approaches of movies and video games. So it is going to explain the linear narratives versus interactive storytelling approaches. Okay, so this is basically each prompt actually encourages the critical thinking by examining similarities and the differences, helping to clarify like certain concepts or making the informed decisions. Right, that is how it is. If you have any specific domain which you want to explore in detail, you can put it in the comment box. I can surely get you those examples. Okay, that's the end of our exploration on comparative prompting with around 10 to 12 unique examples on various domains. So basically, this method of structured comparison is not just about identifying the differences, right? It's about seeing the bigger picture or understanding certain other topics and sharpening your critical thinking skills. Okay, so by applying this technique, we can approach problems with clarity, whether we are choosing a technology stack or debating historical events or even making lifestyle decisions. So comparative prompting is a versatile tool basically which helps us to learn and grow across multiple areas of life. So thank you for joining me today. I hope you found these examples insightful and practical. Don't forget to try comparative prompting in your own learning channel, and we will see you in the next session. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.